If you've lost access to your old National Bank account and no longer have the phone number linked to it, you can still recover your account by following these steps. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the recovery process, collect all necessary information related to your account. This includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, and any previous account statements or transaction details. Step 2. Visit the bank's website. Go to the official National Bank website. Look for the Forgot Password or Account Recovery section. This area typically provides options for recovering access to your account without needing your phone number. Step 3. Choose alternative verification methods. Select an alternative method for verifying your identity. This may include answering security questions, providing your email address, or using a backup verification method that you set up previously. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you're unable to recover your account online, reach out to National Bank's customer support. Use the contact options available on their website to speak with a representative who can assist you further in recovering your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your old National Bank account. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for additional guidance.